This is Atlas Launch Control. We have about 4 minutes remaining in this planned built-in hold, and we're at T-minus 4 minutes and holding. Momentarily, we should get a final pole to come out of the hold and continue toward on-time liftoff at 8:48. At T-minus 4 minutes and holding, this is Atlas Launch Control.
Status check to proceed with terminal count. Atlas Systems, propulsion, go. Hydraulics, go. Pneumatics,
Go.
LO2,
Go.
water.
Go.
Centaur Systems, propulsion, go. Pneumatics, go. LO2,
Go.
LH2,
Go.
PASGAS,
Go.
electrical systems, airborne,
Go.
ground,
Go.
facility,
Go.
RFFTS,
Go.
flight control,
Go.
instrumentation,
Go.
comm,
Go.
timer,
Go.
GC cube,
Go.
umbilicals,
Go.
ECS,
Go.
redline monitor,
Go.
quality,
Go.
ops safety manager,
Go.
ULA safety officer,
Go.
range, weather, and clear to proceed.
Go.
Launch director,
LC, you have permission to launch.
proceeding with the count. T0 is planned for 01:48:00. Set count to start at 01:44:00.
Roger. T0 is set for 0148 Zulu. Count will start at 0144.
LC, this is NSC on countdown 1.
Go ahead.
Spacecraft on internal power.
Roger. NSC, LC,
This is NSC.
just verifying spacecraft on internal power.
That is correct, on internal power.
Roger.
This is Atlas Launch Control, T-minus 4 minutes and holding. 1 minute remaining in this hold. TDRS-K is configured for launch. Very quiet here in the Launch Control Center. We're working no issues. "30 seconds to picking up the count. Picking up in 10.
On my mark, time will be T-minus 4 minutes and counting. 3, 2, 1, mark. T-minus 4 minutes and counting.
Ground power is enable.
Final Atlas and Centaur go for launch will be at T-minus 25 seconds. And we'll have engine ignition at T-minus 2.7 seconds.
Minus 315.
Minus 3 minutes.
Securing LO2 topping.
Atlas tanks to flight pressure.
Minus 250.
AFTS internal.
Minus 2 minutes.
Vehicle internal.
155.
Launch sequencer start.
150.
Securing Centaur LH2.
Securing Centaur LO2.
140.
FCS launch enable.
AFTS armed.
$120.
Orca's armed.
FCS count started.
115. 110.
Vent valves locked.
Minus 1 minute.
Rock, report range status.
Range green.
Minus 40.
Stable at step 3.
Minus 25.
Status check.
Go Atlas.
Minus
Centaur.
Go Teachers K.
T minus 15 seconds. T minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And liftoff of the Atlas V rocket with TDRS-K, broadening, enhancing, and improving the capability of space-based tracking.
Roll program has begun. Body rates look good. Bus and battery voltages are stable. Booster engine continues to operate well. Pump speeds are within parameters. Boost pump pressures are good. Currently accelerated at 1.4 Gs. Engine operation continues to be excellent. Roll program is complete. Booster PU is now operating in closed loop control. Lock 1. Max Q. Body rates continue to look very good. Booster has throttled back right on schedule. Engine response looks good. Currently accelerating at 1.8 Gs. Current altitude is 13 miles. Downrange distance 9.6 miles. Current velocity is 2,390 miles per hour. Booster performance continues to look very good this phase in flight. Bus and battery voltages are stable. Tank pressures look good. And closed loop steering has been enabled. Small perturbance in body rates, but everything looks very good. Range track right now looks like they're heading right down the middle of the range. And the RCS pyro valve has been fired. That system's now pressurizing up the flight levels. Signatures look good. Booster performance continues to be nominal. And we have ended the Q alpha limited steering. Body rates are good. Bus and battery voltages are stable. Tank pressures are within parameters. Booster engine performance continues to be nominal. Currently accelerating at 4.4 Gs. All systems look very good. And boost phase chill down is underway. Coming up on our 5G throttle segment. We're now throttling to maintain 5 Gs. And now have throttled back to 4.6 Gs. Boost phase cool down is complete. And we have BECO. Engine shutdown looks good. We have retros and stage separation. We have LOX and fuel pre-start on the Centaur main engine. The RCS GN2 purge firing is underway. We have ignition on RL10 and full thrust. We have payload fairing jettison. Looks like a clean separation. Range track continues to look very good. Current altitude is 96 miles, downrange distance 299 miles, current velocity 11,142 miles per hour. This burn is expected to be just short of 14 minutes in length. Currently, Centaur is commanding the PU to the oxidizer-rich condition as planned for the early portion of this burn. Centaur closed loop steering has been enabled. Propellant tanks have been vented down to the correct levels for this portion of the burn. Current altitude is 108 miles, downrange distance 445 miles, current velocity 11,354 miles per hour. Vehicle body rates look good. And the range track shows Centaur making good headway right down the middle of the range. Centaur PU is now beginning to control off the oxidizer-rich stop. Quick check of the booster performance shows that we were positive 64 pounds in PE, which is 0.65 sigma in performance. We've begun seeing our RCS thermal conditioning firings. Those line temperatures are now warming towards bottle temperature. RL10 engine performance continues to look good for the mixture issue that is set. And we have had the format change at this point, just a minor dropout in data. Data quality is currently very good. Bus and battery voltages on Centaur are nominal. Current altitude is 148 miles. Downrange distance is 785 miles. Current velocity is 12,041 miles per hour.
And we've had acquisition
Centaur
through
PU
Antigua,
continues to
anticipating losing the signal from the Cape.
Centaur body rates look good, controlling right down the middle. Range track continues to show good progress towards the head-on gate. Centaur currently is flying at 161 nautical miles in altitude, downrange distance of 1,012 miles. Current velocity is 12,644 miles per hour. And Centaur has passed the head-on gate at this point in the mission. Centaur engine performance continues to look very good. Centaur PU continues to operate slightly oxidizer rich. Turbine inlet temperature looks appropriate for the set mixed ratio. RCS line temperatures have nearly warmed to bottle temperature and continue to see our thermal conditioning firings. Signatures look good. Bus and battery voltages are stable. This point in the mission, Centaur is currently flying at 190 miles in altitude. Downrange distance is 1,442 miles. Current velocity, 13,945 miles. All systems continue to operate nominally at this point in the mission. And Centaur is currently accelerating at 0.56 Gs as the PU system is now operating near nominal mixed ratios, having burned off the excess oxidizer.
11 minutes, 30 seconds into the mission. I have data from Antigua until L plus 14 minutes, 15 seconds, at which point the handoff to TDRS East will occur.
Centaur tank pressures continue to look good. Storage bottle pressures are stable. Bus and battery voltages are within expected range. Continue to see our RCS thermal conditioning firings on a regular basis. That system is now operating at nominal temperatures throughout. And the main engine PU setting is basically nominal. 2,800 miles. Velocity is 18,951 miles per hour. Two minutes to MECO. All systems continue to operate well. Range track shows the vehicle making good progress. And Centaur has entered the PU limiting phase. Ensure the set MR is within the expected limits. Chamber pressures continue to be stable. LOX pump discharge, fuel venturi, and turbine inlet temperatures are within parameter for the set mixture ratio, which is very close to nominal. One minute to expected MECO. All Centaur systems continue to look excellent at this point in the burn.